Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the honest truth about the beauty products you're curious about. Today, we're diving into the Alterna CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner, a product that promises to hydrate, restore, and protect your hair with a sulfate-free formula designed for dry, brittle hair. But is it the miracle conditioner it claims to be, or just another one of those products that looks great on paper but falls short in reality? Let's find out. This conditioner comes in a sleek, sophisticated bottle with a rich, creamy formula that's specifically made for curly hair. It's sulfate-free, which immediately caught my attention because many sulfate-free products tend to be more gentle on the hair, especially when you're dealing with dryness and damage. When I first used it, I noticed the texture was rich and velvety, but not so heavy that it weighed down my curls. It glided through my hair easily, and I was able to evenly distribute it from root to tip. That's key for curly hair because we need hydration in every curl and wave to ensure they stay soft and bouncy without frizz. The conditioner's key benefits include replenishing and sealing moisture into your strands, which is exactly what my dry, textured hair needs. It also adds softness and shine, both of which are critical when you're trying to restore life to hair that's seen better days. I've used this conditioner in my regular routine for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed by how much softer my curls feel. It doesn't just coat the hair, it truly absorbs and locks in that moisture. I tested it in both morning and evening routines and found that it works just as well on second-day curls as it does on freshly washed hair. It has a subtle fragrance that lingers lightly, which is always a plus for me since I don't love overpowering scents. Now, while I'm loving how this conditioner feels in my hair, it's not without its minor drawbacks. First, because it's sulfate-free and packed with natural oils, it doesn't foam up as much as traditional conditioners. That's something to keep in mind if you're used to a foamy texture. Also, the price point is on the higher end, which could be a consideration for some, especially if you're looking for something more affordable for daily use. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros. The formula is incredibly hydrating, it adds a noticeable amount of shine, and it's sulfate-free, making it a great choice for those with color-treated or curly hair. The moisture it delivers is definitely long-lasting, and your hair will feel softer with each use. The cons. Its higher price tag might put it out of reach for some, and the lack of suds might feel a little strange if you're used to conditioners that foam. Also, while it works wonders on curly hair, those with finer or less textured hair might find it a bit too heavy for their liking. As far as value for money goes, the product certainly delivers on its promises of hydration and moisture. However, the price is something to weigh carefully. If you have dry, curly hair like mine, the results are well worth it. If you're on a tighter budget, you might want to look at some more affordable alternatives, though they might not offer the same level of moisture sealing. In comparison to similar products on the market, the Alterna CAVIAR conditioner stands out because it combines anti-aging benefits with intense hydration. There are cheaper conditioners that provide moisture, but they may not protect your hair from environmental stressors as effectively as this one. If you're looking for something with a little more luxury and proven results, this is a solid choice. In terms of build quality, the packaging is elegant and feels sturdy with a practical flip cap that makes it easy to get the right amount of product out without any mess. As for longevity, I've found that a little bit goes a long way. Even with my thick, curly hair, just a small amount is enough to make my hair feel hydrated and soft. Now, I didn't have the chance to interact with customer service, but Alterna has a great reputation for being responsive, so if you ever have issues, I'd imagine they'd handle it well. There's no word on any recent updates for this product, so what you see is what you get. If you're thinking about alternatives, there are other sulfate-free conditioners out there, some of which are considerably cheaper. Brands like Shea Moisture and Ouai have similar hydrating properties, but without the high-end price tag. You may lose out on the anti-aging benefits, but they could still be great for moisturizing dry hair. To wrap things up, the Alterna CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner does live up to its claims. It's especially ideal for those with curly, dry, or color-treated hair, thanks to its ability to seal in moisture and restore softness. However, the price might be a barrier for some, and the lack of suds may feel unusual for those used to traditional conditioners. If you've tried this conditioner, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. If you're interested in trying it, you'll find the link in the description box. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.